Good morning. How are you? What's your name? Where are you from? Can I help you? Nice to meet you. Sorry, I am late. Excuse me. Please give me that. I don't understand. Could you repeat that, please? How's the weather today? What time is it? Have a great day. See you later. What's for dinner? I am hungry. I am tired. Where is the restroom? Can I have a glass of water? Do you need any help? How was your day? Good day to you, sir. What is going on? I did not understand. What do you mean? What are you talking about? I am feeling tired today. Thank you very much. What can I do for you? What is happening here? Could you please pass me the salt? I am sorry, but I can't make it to the party tonight. Have a great day. Can I have a glass of water, please? Excuse me, where is the nearest post office? Thank you for your help. It's nice to meet you. What's your favorite movie? I need to buy some groceries. I am running late for my appointment. Can you lend me a pen? How was your weekend? Do you have any plans for the evening?